Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Anna and I'm back.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Remember to turn your post notification bell on so that you will be notified whenever I do post another video.
Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I'm cooking some Ackee. Some brother sent up some Ackee for me from Jamaica and the girl will cook it. Right? So this is the Ackee that I'm cooking. I'm never going to do no video, so I'm going to show you this process. Plus it was cleaned up from there and sent here. It was frozen. So I guess come along with me on my Ackee journey. I don't know what I'm putting into it as yet, but I guess you'll know when I know. So guys, don't forget to send me a video. So I'm gonna cook the Ackee with some rice. And I've already seasoned the pot. Right, so this is some pumpkin, scallion, thyme, some scotch bonnet pepper, and all of the good stuff them in this right now. I added some ginger paste, garlic paste, cilantro, parsley. I'm gonna do all purpose. So you know this tastes good. And a hint of turmeric. Now I'm waiting for the pumpkin to be cooked and then I'm going to add rice. So guys, I'm sure that this is ready. You see on the side of the pot, I'm sure that the coconut juice has boiled out. You see it forming a custard on the side of the pot. So I know that this is ready, right? So I'm scraping down the custard. Don't throw it away. Yeah. Like this. And then I'm going to add my rice to this. So I just washed some white rice. And I'm going to add it to this now. You know? Make the pot bubble up. So I've added my rice. As you can see, the pumpkin starts to mash out. I'm just giving this a stir. And then I'm going to cover it. And the water should be just an inch above the rice. And that is that. So guys, I've decided to put some sausage. As you can see, and this is some beef sausage. This is what I put in like seafood boil. And I have some sweet peppers, scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, and ginger. I'm also going to use some mini shrimp, right? And this is what it looks like. This is what it is. And then I asked Christ if that food got nice. And here I have my Ackee draining, because we don't want none of the liquor water after I boil it. Put it in the strainer and I run some boiling water over it, you know, to take out some of the brine. And that's that. So to a hot skillet, a hot frying pan, I'm adding some oil, right? And this is some avocado oil. I'm also going to put a tablespoon of coconut oil, well, coconut paste, because the time is cold, it is, you know, it turns like a paste to this. And then I'm going to saute the sausage. So yes guys, now I'm going to saute down the sausage, right? And nothing spectacular. The pot has a little too much oil, but because I'm also going to add the seasoning and stuff, it's okay. Right? I am in love with these sausages. They're a good source of protein, but they are so nice. And I love them. So, everything is okay. So guys, as you can see, this is exactly how I want these sausages to be, right? Exactly. Then I'm going to add my seasoning. So guys, I'm adding my seasoning, and that's it. 2 pepper, onions, celery, and thyme. So I'm just going to mix this in. People, I don't understand how you have to put seasoning in. I don't understand. So we're just going to allow the onions to be a little translucent, transparent, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to add my shrimp. So guys, now I'm going to add my shrimp. And these are just some mini shrimp. As I showed you, they're already cooked. They're cold water shrimp.
Are they babies?
Yeah, they're babies.
Ow, ow, I don't want to smoke.
And I'm just mixing it to get the flavor from the onion and everything in it, right? Nothing too hard, I don't want to add max. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to season. And I'm adding some paprika. And this is some smoked paprika. I just like the flavor. Now I'm going to add a little cayenne pepper because I use cayenne pepper more than I use black pepper. I'm going to add my favorite parsley and cilantro. Now I'm going to add some ginger, garlic powder, and pimento. And baby, I'ma just get all these flavors infused, right? Just infuse them together. Now I'm going to turn the pot up, well the stove up, because I turn it down. I'm going to turn it back up, so you're going to hear some sizzle. So people, this gonna eat just like this. You wanna know me? I gotta add now the ackee, right? So we're just adding our ackee to the pot, right? Drain it and add it to the pot. I'm gonna mix this. I will just go and let me look at the cameraman down with me and come back to see what it look like. So people, just looking at my pot. You can't stop with me now. No, my short ackee had colorful, flavorful.
Also put some ackee in.
Colorful ackee. No, you can't stop with my pot. My pot colorful, flavorful. And I ask Christ. I thought you ever tell somebody so. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to cover this for it to do look of magic for like 2 minutes and come back to you guys. So guys, I want to say, talk to me nice. I want to say about the look of food. This is loaded.
That's a lot of food. That's not
Loaded. My God, they look good. Chocolate whole plate. Mixing whole plate. Who else wants some? Arlene. Right now, Arlene. The nearer Arlene. Could I get some? So guys, the rice done cook. The rice is rising. The rice is rising. Yeah. And the ackee and this is ackee. Come on, people. Talk to the pot. Talk to the pot. Talk to the pot. Make a short little food. Bye. People, the food done. The food ready. All who want some, can get some. I don't know. Not like nice bad.
Hey, why me?
The plate of food, people. I'm not even energy. Oh God, let's zoom in.
So you guys need to try this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Remember to turn your post notification bell on so that you will be notified whenever I do post another video. Food turn up, food turn right over. Bye.